Kanina, sinimula na namin ni John ang aming pag-a-apply dito sa Sykes. Isang call center na sikat sa bansa. Dahil ang pagiging call center agent ang talagang nangungunang trabaho ngayon sa atin. Kami mismo ni John ang susubok kung paano nga bang tumatakbo ang buhay nila.
Kasama natin kaibigan ngayon si May, si Mark at si Amy. Maraming salamat. John, kumusta ka na? Kinabahan ka ba kanina sa training?
Yes, a little. But I'm more comfortable now.
Kumusta ang buhay ng isang call center agent? May, ikaw?
Very comfortable. Okay. This is the job na I would say tatagal ako. You know, the environment is so youthful. Saka everybody is masaya. You know, pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, you just can do it.
I like that. Bagets, masaya, oras.
Yun lang, sanayan.
What's the best thing about being a call center agent?
Well, the best thing about my job is very fulfilling.
No, ibig sabihin mo ay sulit.
Sulit.
Which is good.
Ako, I used to be a teacher.
Wow! Talaga?
Pero nag-decide ako ng career shift talaga. Parang you get to be yourself.
Kakaibang titig mo kay John. Paano nyo hinahandle yung mga kausap? May mabait, may masungit. Dun sa masungit.
Patience talaga eh.
Patience, no?
Honestly, yung rewarding, we're putting also the Philippines sa world map na we're not just good and excellent in communication skills. We're intelligent people. Nagugulat sila.
Totoo.
Pag tinanong, where are you located? Pag sinabi mo, I'm physically located in Manila, Philippines. What? Gaganon sila. Hindi parang long year.
Naku, kahit ang sarap ng usapan namin, dapat yata umupo na kami ni John sa cubicle namin bago pa kami masita ng mga boss namin dito para masimulan na rin naming tumanggap ng unang kliyente namin. Pero mga kaibigan, hindi po tunay na kliyente ng Sykes ang makakausap namin. Ang ginawa namin, isang simulated call. Ibig sabihin, binigyan kami ng call center agents para i-test kami kung may natutunan kami sa tinuro sa amin.
Ayan. Hello? Thank you for calling Sykes Asia. My name is Boy. May I help you, please?
I'm really disappointed. I've been waiting for an order. It's a birthday present, and up to this day, I haven't received it yet.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm very sorry to hear that. But I'll be very happy to assist you with your concern. But for me to be able to help you, may I get your first and last name,
What
please?
for?
For me to be able to assist you, ma'am, I need to know your first and last name.
Okay, do your
please.
stuff. My name is Amy.
And your last name, ma'am,
That's
please?
Smith.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll look into our records. Give me a couple of seconds.
But please, don't put me on hold. I hate that hold music.
I promise, ma'am. Thank you. Here it is. Ma'am, the product was delivered via carrier 3 days ago. Unfortunately, there was no one to sign for the package when it arrived. It would be best to contact the carrier company, and the number is 885-607-531.
Let me grab a pen and paper.
All right, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. I will wait for you until you get your pen and paper.
Let me grab a pen and paper.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, what's the number?
The number, ma'am, is 885-607-531.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else that I could assist you with?
Promise me this will never happen again, or else I'll look for other companies that will cater to my needs ASAP.
Thank you, ma'am. I understand. Thank you very much.
What's your name again?
Nakaka-tense pala talaga. Pero exciting din, ha? Pagkatapos kong makipag-usap sa first ever client ko, si John naman ang sumalang sa telepono.
Naku, yan na, John. Ang unang tawag mo. Call center agent na si John. I-press mo dun sa taas.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Sykes Asia. My name is John Avila. How may I help you?
What's your name again?
My name is John.
Oh, hi, John.
Hi.
Well, I just got your phone from the internet while surfing. Is this a dating phone line?
No, this is Sykes Asia.
Do you mind if we talk?
Yes.
Well, okay, John. I have a question. Where are you located?
I'm actually located in Quezon City. It's the Sykes Asia office.
That's nice. I like your accent. Are you free for coffee?
Aba naman, sa akin, medyo iritado ang first caller. Pero kay John, aba, Boses niya pa lamang mukhang na-in-love na agad. Pero teka, bakit parang bigla siyang nataranta?
Last question, John. Do you go for boxers or brief?
Naku, nakakagulat din pala maging agent dahil hindi mo tansya ang ugali ng kausap mo. Tulad ng test call kay John na isang babaeng nagpanggap na naghahanap siya ng date. Kaya kita nyo, nataranta agad si Kapitan Boom. Bakit? Ano bang tinatanong sa'yo?
She's asking me if I wear boxers or brief.
Ako hindi ako tinanong kanina, kaya galitan lang ako. Ba't ikaw tinatanong? All in all, napakasaya ng experience ko dito sa Sykes. Ang dami kong natutunan sa buhay ng isang call center agent. Mahirap kung sa mahirap, pero rewarding ang magtrabaho dito. At parang tayo, pati sila, turingan sa isa't isa, magkakapamilya. Yan ang dapat nangunguna sa ating isipan.